Okay.
and then MSc in electronics in 2007. And
Okay.
in February 2015, I completed my PhD in radio physics.
Okay.
And
Right now
right
you are
now
in
I'm
which
in
city?
I am in USA, and my visa status is H4. So
H4.
I'm writing just, yeah. So I'm
So
just
what your
trying for
what?
new jobs.
Okay. Okay. Fine. What about your interesting area? Is it clinical trials or financial domain? Me?
Actually, engineering.
No, no, no. Actually, I am saying that. So you are looking for SaaS jobs, right?
Yes.
See, actually, in SaaS, there are two domains. The one is clinical domain, the second one is financial domain. So, what about your interesting area? Is it clinical or financial domain? See, clinical is not suitable to you because of your qualification. For a clinical
Okay.
trials, you must have some life sciences background. The first priority to pharma graduates, the second priority to biotechnology people, the least priority to chemistry background people. So, life sciences background is compulsory for clinical trial. So your
Clinical.
background is
Okay.
engineering background and MBA
Yes, yes.
background. Okay. So you are not eligible for clinical trials. So better to go through financial domain, analytics.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's why I'm asking. Yeah, what about your
Yeah.
interesting area? Right. See, yeah, are you able to see my desktop?
Yes.
Yeah, look here. This is my syllabus SAS 9.3. 9.3 is the version statistical analysis system or statistical analysis software. 9.3 is the version. Yeah, I will provide the same software to you. Software installation is also my responsibility. My syllabus is
Okay.
divided into three parts: part 1, part 2, part 3. See, the part 1, core of the SAS system. Part 2, advanced SAS system. Advanced means functional tools. After successfully completion of the both parts, last one is the project. My project is banking project. Banking
Okay.
project. Yeah, this is a analytical project. See, the project title is overdraft facility. So I will provide the complete documentation, complete raw data, and complete solution. But the condition is, yeah, but the condition is only one project. Yeah, either a clinical project or banking project. Of course, this is a banking project, so you are eligible for banking domain only.
Banking.
Yeah, the difference between the clinical and financial domain is clinical trials, it will take minimum 65 classes. Financial domain, especially my project is banking project, it will take minimum 40 classes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, the clinical domain is very big domain. Of course, you are not eligible for clinical trials. You are only eligible for analytics, data analytics. See, some people called data analytics, some people called financial domain, some people called banking domain, whatever it may be. So this is my syllabus, SAS 9.3. 9.3 is the version. My syllabus is divided into three parts. Part 1, the core of the SAS system. Part 2, advanced SAS system. Part 3, project. So what about the part 1? Part 1 means the part 1 means the core of the SAS system. Core means fundamental system. This is a combination of variety of tools like base as procedures. Okay, the reporting with tabulation is known as reporting. ODS, output delivery system. This is the part 1. I need 14 to 15 classes to complete the part 1. Part 1 means the core of the SAS system. Suppose the core was completed, now we are entering into the advanced SAS system. Advanced means functional tools. The first one is Oracle SQL concepts. Why Oracle SQL? Why we need Oracle SQL? Because of every SAS programmer or analyst. See, generally there are two types of jobs are there. The one is SAS analyst, the second one is SAS programmer. Yeah, there is no difference. See, some companies, yeah, using the word analyst, some companies using the word programmer, SAS analyst or programmer. See, whatever may be the domain, yeah, whatever may be your role, a clinical domain or financial domain, whatever may be your background. See, you must have familiar with Oracle SQL conceptual knowledge. This is compulsory for SAS programming. That's why in my curriculum, we are offering Oracle SQL concepts. I can complete the Oracle SQL concepts within 4 to 5 sessions, and we will provide the Oracle 10G software. So every SAS programmer or analyst must familiar with Oracle SQL conceptual knowledge. See, madam, I am not talking about complete Oracle. Just a few
Mm,
fundamentals in the Oracle subject is compulsory for SAS programming. That's why in my
mm.
curriculum, yes, especially in part two, we are offering Oracle SQL concepts. I can complete the Oracle SQL concepts within, yeah, within 4 to 5 classes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, the next one is SAS SQL. What is the SAS SQL? The SAS Corporation's implementation of SQL is known as SAS SQL. So we have Oracle SQL and SAS SQL. So both SQL knowledge is compulsory for SAS programming. See, there is no needing of the other programming language like C language background, C++ knowledge or Java knowledge need not necessary. The only thing is Oracle SQL conceptual knowledge. This is compulsory for SAS programming. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and what about the third one in advanced SAS system? SAS access. What is mean by SAS access? This is known as data integration tool. Data integration means importing and exporting. Importing the data from other databases to SAS environment. So exporting the data from SAS to other databases. This is known as data integration. Data integration means importing and exporting the data between SAS and external data sources. These external data sources can include DBMS files, PC files, and delimited text files. So means we can easily import the data from other databases to SAS environment. We can easily export the data from SAS to other databases. Like we can import the data from MS Excel to SAS environment. So we can export the data from SAS to MS Excel. Similarly, MS Access and Oracle database also. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this is a dependent tool depending upon Oracle SQL, SAS SQL, SAS Access. Okay, so yeah, sorry, MS Access, not SAS Access. See, the Access tool is depending upon both SQLs and Excel MS Access. And next one, Graph. This is another advanced tool. This is a package. By using SAS Graph, we can design variety of graphical representations like vertical bar graphics, horizontal bar graphics, scatter plots, histograms, bubble charts, two-dimensional graphical reports, and three-dimensional graphical reports. This is a package. This is a package. Another advanced tool. This is a package. Another advanced tool. Yeah, very easy tool, very important tool. By using SAS graph, yeah, we can design variety of graphical representations. This is a package. Macros. The one and only one programming tool under SAS environment is macros. By using macros, we can do programming. Our programming is high level programming. Generally, the programming languages are classified under three categories: low level, mid level, high level. Low level, almost outdated. Mid level, very famous language. C language, high level. C++, Java, SAP, SAS. SAS is also high level programming language. By using macros, we can do programming. Our programming is high level programming. See, the main objective of the SAS programming is data analysis. Yeah, why we are using the SAS system? SAS is the best analytical tool, not only analysis. The first one is analysis. The next one is reporting, tabulation, graphical representation. The main objective of the SAS programming is data analysis. And what about the programming? See, this is not a programming tool. It is an analytical tool. Yeah, it is a powerful analytical tool. The easiest way to analyze the data is only Oracle. Yeah, the easiest way to analyze the data is only SAS nowadays. Yeah, we have so many other analytical tools are there. Excel is also analytical tool. SQL is also analytical tool. And SPSS, Minitab is also analytical tool. But the difference is, suppose Excel and SAS. What is the difference? See, by using SAS, we can easily analyze the data. We can easily analyze the data. There is no other tool like SAS. The main aim of the SAS programming is data analysis, but sometimes we require programming. So that's why we have programming facility is also there. By using macros, we can do programming. Our programming is high level programming. By using macros, we can do programming. Our programming is high level programming. The one and only one programming tool under SAS environment is macros. By using macros, we can do programming. Our programming is high level programming. The one and only one programming tool under SAS environment is macro. See, C, C++, Java. What about C, C++, Java? These three are known as 100% programming tools. But SAS is not a programming tool. SAS is an analytical tool, statistical analysis system. But sometimes we required programming. That's why the SAS Corporation in 1990s introduced the macros. By using macros, we can do programming. Our programming is high level programming. You people feel some difficulty while working with macros. Macros means, yeah, I can complete the macro syllabus within 4 to 5 classes only. This is not 100% programming tool. Yeah, this is a analytical tool. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And what about the last one? This is statistical tool. This is known as decision making tool. Previous background is compulsory for this tool. Previous background means like mathematical background or statistical background is compulsory for this tool. This is known as decision making tool, subject oriented tool. Previous background is compulsory for this tool. This is a package, macro, language, graph, package, access, data integration tool, SQL, structured query language. After successfully completion of the core and advanced, the last one is the project, banking project. So my project, yeah, this is a live project. I will provide the complete documentation, raw data, complete solution, and related resumes. Yeah, 3 or 4 US resumes. My project title is overdraft facility. Overdraft facility means OD facility. OD facility is the rare facility provided to the selected customers depending upon the norms of the bank. Using this facility, the customers were permitted to draw the amounts within the certain limit only. So this is a live project. Yeah, the client is ABN number. So I will provide the complete documentation of banking project. Okay, are you followed?
Yeah.
Yes, the next one, PowerPoint presentation. What is SAS? Statistical Analysis System or Statistical Analysis Software developed by SAS Institute in Cary from North Carolina. The main advantages of the SAS system, why we are using the SAS system, data entry, retrieval and management. Data entry, inputting the data, retrieval, getting back the data what we have entered in the previous session. Management means a data management or data maintenance. Report writing. Reporting means not only reporting. The reporting with tabulation is known as reporting. And graphics designing. We can design variety of graphical representations like vertical bar graphics, horizontal bar graphics, scatter plots, histograms, bubble charts, two-dimensional graphical reports, and three-dimensional graphical reports. And whatever their quality is high resolution. High resolution means supporting of 256 color combination. Yeah, ad hoc reports. What is mean by ad hoc? Ad hoc means temporary reports, instant reports, on demand reports. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Instant reports, on demand reports. Yes. Instant reports are on demand reports. Okay. Statistical and mathematical analysis. Yeah. We can do both statistical and mathematical analysis. Statistical analysis means find out the mean, mode, median, standard deviation, skewness, and kurtosis. Mathematical analysis means simple to complex equations. Yeah, we can solve simple to complex equations. We can find out the, yeah, sine 60, cos 60, tan 60. So both mathematical and statistical analysis. Yeah, we can improve the quality of the application, project management and applications development. Milestones. Milestones means history, madam. See, in 1976, the SAS Corporation first time introduced, yeah, in 1976, the SAS Corporation first time introduced their tool as base SAS, means part 1. The part 1 was released in 1976. After 1982 onwards, the company was well established. Well established in the sense, after 1982 onwards, the company released various advanced tools. Right now, the president and CEO, Dr. James Goodnight, more than 120 country peoples are recognized SAS system. More than 4.5 million users are there. Right now, the president and CEO, of course, he is the founder chairman. Yeah, Dr. James Goodnight. See, the number of users are very high in America. The second is UK. The third position is India. Okay. Hello, madam. Yes, are you followed?
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, languages SAS support. SAS supports various, a variety of languages: Japanese, Korean, Norwegian, Spanish, Swedish, is Thai, German, Hungarian, Italian, Hebrew. Yeah, it supports variety of languages. SAS product. See, madam, SAS is not a single tool. It's a collection of variety of tools. One tool for one different purpose. Yeah, let me explain. See, SAS genetics. Yeah, the SAS family has 40 plus tools are there. Suppose SAS genetics, like botany, zoology, chemistry. Genetics is also one of the specialization subject. People who are having
Mhm.
genetics background, they can easily follow this one. Genetics, like botany, zoology, chemistry. Genetics is also enough. Yeah, genetics is also, yes, another advanced tool, but this is known as subject-oriented tool. See, people who are having genetics background, at least bachelor's degree in genetics, they can easily follow this tool. Not only the learner and the trainer both must familiar with genetic subject. Otherwise, SAS genetics is not possible. What is mean by GIS, Geographical Information System? Yeah, this is also another advanced tool, but subject-oriented tool. But this type of tools, SAS genetics, SAS GAS, this type of tools are not useful in clinical trials, not useful in financial domain, not useful in healthcare domain. What about my syllabus? My syllabus, the part one and part two are common for all clinical trials, common for all domains, common for clinical trials, common for banking, common for insurance project. My syllabus is common for clinical, banking, healthcare. Yes, the only difference is the project, either a clinical project or financial project or a healthcare project. Choice is yours. Of course, the healthcare domain is not, yeah, nowadays not good in America and India also. Definitely, it will take a lot of time to get a job in healthcare domain. That's why my suggestion is better to go through either clinical or financial domain. Financial means data analytics. Okay.
Mhm.
Yes, the next one, SAS system functionality. The SAS system has four functionalities: access, manage, analyze, present. By using SAS system, we can access the data, we can manage the data, we can analyze the data, we can present the data. Access, manage, analyze, present. Only clockwise, but not anti-clockwise. We can access the data, we can manage the data, we can analyze the data, we can present the
Yes.
data. See, the third one is analyze. Analyze means, yes, analyzing the data. Second one is
Mhm.
manage, data management. The first one is access. What is mean by access? We can access other software
What?
files from one environment to SAS environment. The last one
Mhm.
is presentation. See, madam, presentation is the biggest topic in my syllabus. Presentation means generating the reports, temporary reports, instant reports, on-demand reports, and graphical representation. So the graphical representation. So reporting with tabulation is known as reporting. Graphics means we can design variety of graphical representations like vertical bar graphics, horizontal bar graphics, scatter plots, histograms, bubble charts, two-dimensional graphical reports, and three-dimensional graphical reports. Yeah, the next one, designing of the SAS system. The SAS system is designed under multi-engine architecture. Multi-engine means, yeah, it supports 1960 database as well as 2015 database. Whether the database is new or old or very old, it doesn't matter. Yeah, the SAS system supports new database, old database, or oldest database because of the architecture. The SAS system's architecture is multi-engine architecture. Yeah, suppose Excel. Let us suppose that one of my client living in America sends his daily business transactions Excel. See, I am not familiar with Excel. I am a SAS programmer, SAS analyst. So I have import facility. By using this import facility, I can easily import the data from Excel to SAS environment. After doing some manipulations, once again I can load the same information to Excel. Yeah, similarly, Sybase, Oracle, Informatica, DBase, Relational Database Management System, DB2. So we can easily import the data from other databases to SAS environment. We can easily export the data from SAS to other databases because of the architecture. The SAS system's architecture is multi-engine architecture. Features. Platform independence. Yeah, it supports Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8. Yes, Windows 8. So Windows XP, Windows 2000. Yeah, portability. Portability means we can easily carry these SaaS applications from one computer to another computer because of it occupies very little bit memory. Yeah, we can easily carry these SaaS applications from one machine to another machine. Supports virtually any data format. Yeah, it supports 1960 database as well as 2015 database. Whether the database is new or old or very old, it doesn't matter. And powerful tools for various business needs. We have variety of tools. One tool for one different purpose. And the last one, high level programming language. Generally, programming languages are classified under three categories. Low level, mid level, high level. Low level, almost outdated. Mid level, very famous language, C language. High level, C++, Java, SAP, SAS. SAS is also high level programming language. By using macros, we can do programming. Our programming is high level programming. See, the programming is just one part in my curriculum. This is not 100% programming. Programming is just one part in my curriculum. By using macros, we can do programming. Our programming is high level programming. Yeah, SaaS applications are used in financial services, banking, insurance, retail, manufacturing, media, education, communication, government, hospitality, small to medium businesses, life sciences. Life sciences means clinical trials, yeah, health insurance, healthcare projects, automotive, automobile engineering. Yes, energy and utilities means power sectors. We have variety of domains are there, but I am familiar with the clinical, banking, healthcare. Of course, choice is yours. So
Mm,
according to your qualification, my suggestion is better to go through financial domain, but not
finance.
clinical domain. The clinical domain is not suitable to you because of for clinical trials, the right now the clients giving the first priority to pharma graduates only. So your background is mathematical background and MBA.
Mm.
So BTech and MBA, right?
No, BTech, MSc.
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 Yes, yes.
Yeah.
That's why my suggestion is better to go through financial domain. That is very suitable to you. And that,
Mhm.
yeah. So I will provide the software 9.3. Software is not a trial version, it's a complete version. So software
Mhm.
installation is also my responsibility. So I will
Mm.
provide the base material, advanced material, project material, and some
Mm.
model resumes. At the end of the project, I will give the complete documentation and everything. Okay. And
Okay. I'm
yeah.
sending my email ID if you need anything because so I just sending you my email ID.
Just a minute,
Just check
madam.
your email.
Yeah, first of all, send a test mail to me. This is my email ID, SAS9.2 at the rate hotmail.com. Send a test mail to me. So I will send the documents and
Okay.
software link, everything. So the regular
Mm.
sessions will be begin from Monday. Yeah. What
Okay.
about your time zone?
Right now here is 10:25
No,
in
no,
the
no, no.
morning.
No, no, I am asking you, yeah, is
EST.
it EST?
EST.
Okay, madam.
EST.
So every day 9 o'clock, madam, 9 o'clock, 9 a.m.
9
EST.
o'clock.
Yeah,
Okay.
9 a.m. EST. So
So the link will be the same. That
same
same
link,
link.
madam. Same link.
Okay.
Same link.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If
Mm-hmm.
anything changes, we will inform to you. First of all, do one thing. Just send a test mail to me. Okay, test mail to
Okay.
me, a dummy email. So after getting your email, yeah, I will send the course curriculum, the material, software link. Tomorrow is a holiday, so better to download the software on Sunday. So on Monday, after completion of this session, I can install the software into your machine. What about your operating system?
Windows.
Yeah, Windows. Yeah, 7 or 8 or
Win
8.
Windows 7 actually.
Yeah, is it 32-bit or 64-bit?
32-bit.
32-bit means, yeah, we can install only 9.2. Yeah, to install 9.3, you must have
Oh,
64-bit option.
I have another laptop also. I can install there. So
Okay,
it is a
okay,
new
definitely,
laptop.
definitely, I will send the link to you. Do one thing, just send a test mail to me. On Monday,
Mm,
9 a.m. EST is the first session. Okay?
okay.
Yeah. Okay, madam. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sending the mail. Just
Yeah,
check.
sure, madam. Okay.